Hello, good day, classmate, and to our instructor, Mr. Martin Gintayan. I'm Sari Balali, PA Ed 1. I'm here to present our video quiz in Mathematics Modern World. So, our topic is all about percentile. What is percentile? The most common definition is a number where a certain percentage of a score falls below the number. Percentile is everyday use, but there is no definition for it. Percentile are commonly used to report scores in tests, used commonly by teacher or instructor. Muna siya kasagaran gamiton mag-compute o grado ng 1%. 25th percentile is a first quartile, while 50th percentile is generally the median. And the 75th percentile is the third quartile, and the difference between third and the first quartile, it is called interquartile range. This is the first question. Find out 25th percentile below the least. So as you can see, solution, rank equals percentile times number of rank plus 1 divided by 100. Kaya ang gihatag nga kuan papangita ang 25th percentile sa first quartile. So 25th percentile, 25 times 8 is the rank, number of the rank, nya 8 naman siya ato ipon. So plus 1. Kay formula given naman ang 1. Divided by 100. The total rank is 2.25 nya. Wa kay makita diri nga 2.25. As you can see, 25 percentile, 2.25, but there are no number 2.25 in the rank. You can choose close, papiliod, kita ko nalimo ka sa mas dool, second or third. It's up to you what rank would you choose, either 25% from the lowest, which is 33 from the least, or 25% from the highest, which is 43 from the least. Question number 2, the following of community frequency graph show the distribution of marks scored by a class of 40 students in tests. Given 40 students sa median marks and upper marks, the lower mark, and the interquartile range. May siya lower quartile, median, upper quartile. Yan muna siya gitawag na frequency. Diri po ang marks. X-axis na siya diri. Vertical axis. Solution A, median marks. So, as you can see, median equals percentile, number of the students, divided by 100. So, ang given kay 50th percentile times 40 divided by 100, median equals 20. To find median mark, connect 20 from vertical axis to the curve down to the x-axis or x-axis marks. You can easily identify 44. So, therefore, the median mark is 44. So, to easily visualize how it works, easily, I have a graph here. So, look at the example. Median marks, 44. This is a median. To find median marks, connect 20 here. This is 20. From vertical axis, or down to the curve. So you can easily find 44 median marks. Solution B, upper quartile, marked with 52. As you see, upper quartile, percentile, number of students, formula na siya, equals 100. 75 times 40 equals 100. And upper total is, a total upper quartile equals 30. By the definition itself, the upper quartile of the third quartile is the 75th percentile. To find upper quartile, mark connect from the x vertical axis to the curve down to the x-axis from the mark, and you can easily identify 52. Therefore, the upper quartile mark is 52. I have a graph here also. As As you can see, this is an upper quartile. To find upper quartile marks, connect 30 to x-axis, down to the x-axis, to the chord, down to the chord, the x-axis. So you can easily identify 52 is a upper quartile. Solution C, lower quartile mark. By the definition itself, upper quartile is the first quartile and the 25th percentile. To find lower quartile, mark connect 10 to vertical axis to the chord down to the x-axis to chord down to the x-axis. So the marks you can easily identify 36 is a lower quartile marks. Now put your example. To find here, find the marks is down here to 36 ay muna siya ang lower quartile marks. 36. Yeah. Solution D, interquartile mark 60. By the definition above, the interquartile is the third quartile, the first quartile or the upper quartile, lower quartile. Therefore, the interquartile is 16. Third quartile minus first quartile. Interquartile equals upper quartile minus lower quartile. Interquartile 52 minus 36, and interquartile is 16. So therefore, the interquartile is 16. Giminus na siya. So finish. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Thank you for listening.